morning students. Today we are going to start the next part of the lesson 11, perimeter and area, that is circles. You have already studied about the circles in your previous classes. Today we are going to study about the circumference of the circle. Now what is circumference? The curved portion or the boundary of the circle is known as circumference. That is actually its perimeter. What is perimeter? The boundary of any shape, square shape. Then this boundary, when we fence around a square field, what we call it is as perimeter. The boundary of the shape is called its perimeter. That you had studied in your previous classes. Now this is a circular part of the circle that is known as circumference. Now what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi into r. R is the radius of the circle. Pi value is given either 22/7 or 3.14. This value is generally given in the questions. Now, we also know that this is also radius. If this is the center of the circle O, then this is radius, this is also radius. So, radius plus radius makes what? R plus R, 2R will makes what? Diameter of the circle. So, I can write 2 pi R as 2R into pi, right? Now, what is 2R? 2R makes diameter. So, instead of 2R, I can write diameter D multiplied by pi. Or you can also write it as pi D. So, the basic formula of circumference of a circle is 2 pi R or pi d. If the diameter is given, you can use the formula pi d. If the radius is given, you can use the formula 2 pi r. It is one and the same thing only. You can see here 2 pi r, I can also write as pi d, where value of pi is given 22/7 or 3.14. Any value you can take, but generally it is the value of pi is given in the question itself. Now just now I had explained you about the perimeter of the circle. What is perimeter? The distance around the boundary of the circle. Now we are going to learn about the area of circle. Now what is the area? The inside region, whole inside portion of the circle is known as area of the circle. And its formula is given by pi r square. So, write down in your notebook, area of circle is equal to pi r square. This is the formula for area of circle, and for circumference of circle, the formula is two formulas. You can use any one, 2 pi r or pi d. If diameter is given, you can use pi d. If radius is given, you can use 2 pi r. And what is circumference? Only the boundary portion of the circle. So write down these three formulas in your notebook before starting the new exercise 11.3. Now we are going to start exercise 11.3. Question number 1. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. So radius is given to us. We have to find the circumference. And the value of pi is given, that we have to take 22/7. Now what is the formula for finding circumference of circle? Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Here we will take 2 pi r formula as radius is given to us. homework in your notebook. Now moving on to the next question number 2. Find the area of the circles with the following radius. And use pi is equal to 22 by 7. It is given only in question number A. It is not given in question B or C. I think this is question number C. So we know the formula of area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. It is given value by 22 by 7. So we write pi 22 by 7. R square means R is multiplied 2 times. R into R. Now what is the value of R? 14 into 14. Now we can easily cut 7 and 14. So we will reduce it. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 22 into 2 into 14 is remaining. Denominator is 1. Which does not make any value. So 22 into 2 is 44 multiplied by 14. So we multiply this in rough column and we write the answer. So the answer is 616 millimeter. The unit is millimeter, but since it is the area, its answer unit is millimeter square. Thus the area of the circle is 616 millimeter square. B question I am giving you homework. But remember in the B question the diameter is given. Radius you have to first find. Divide the diameter by 2 and then find the area of this circle. Now moving on further, the C question, radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Here there is nothing written whether pi you have to take 22 by 7 or 3.14. But in previous examples you can see that if the denominator is 7, the radius should be in the table of 7. Here pi does not come in the table of 7. So we will choose the value of pi 3.14. Now area of circle is equal to pi r square. I will write pi as 3.14. Radius r square means r multiplied by r. R is 5. So 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25 multiplied by 3.14. When I will multiply, I will get the answer 78.50 centimeter square. So whenever remember the radius is not in the table of 7, choose the value of pi as 3.14 because it will be easier to calculate. Thus the final answer is area of the circle is 78.50 centimeter square. B question I am giving you homework. Remember it is given diameter 49. So to find the radius, divide the diameter by 2, 49 by 2 and that value you have to put in the formula. Otherwise your answer will not come. Question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, what is given? Circumference is given 154 meter. So first we write what is given. Circumference of a sheet is given 154 meters. Find its radius. We have to find the radius. Also find the area of the sheet. So first we will find the radius, and once the radius is known to us, we can find the area. Now we will again write the formula of circumference. We know that circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. But the value of circumference is given 154. So we will write 154 below the circumference, which is equal to 2 into pi value. We will take 22 by 7. Radius we have to find. So we will keep it as r. Now to find the r you have studied in the equation, we can take the other constants on the other side of the equation. So 7 is in denominator, it will go in numerator. 2 and 22 are in numerators, it will come denominator. Now we'll cut 22 ones are 22 and 22 sevens are 154. Rest 7 into 7 and 2 we cannot cut, so we'll just write 7 sevens are 49 upon 2. Now we'll divide 49 by 2. So our radius is 24.5 meters. Now we have to find the area also. So area of circle is equal to, the formula is pi r square. Put the value of pi 22 by 7. Radius is, I will put 49 by 2. So that my calculation is easy because I know that there is 7 in the denominator. 7 ones are and 7 sevens are. 2 ones are and 2 elevens are. Now multiply the rest. 11 into 7 into 49. 11 sevens are 77. Multiplied by 49 and in the denominator 2. Now we multiply this 2 and we divide by 2. Let us see what is our answer. So the answer is 188.6.5 meter square. Remember, the unit of area is meter square. Thus, our radius is 24.5 meter and our area of circle is 1886.5 meters square. Now, moving on to the question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden. Our garden is in the form of circle and he wants to fence around his garden. So, fencing means perimeter, perimeter means circumference. So, we have to find the circumference and the diameter of the garden is given 21 meter. Now, here diameter is given, so we will take the formula of circumference as pi d. And it is given that take the value of pi as 22 by 7. So, the circumference of the garden is equal to pi d. Put the value of pi as 22 by 7. Put the value of diameter d is given 21 meters. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. 22 into 3 is 66 meters. Now the next part is find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of the fence. 2 rounds. 1 round means 1 circumference. 2 rounds means this circumference multiplied by 2. So the length of the rope he needs is equal to 2 multiplied by 66. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 132 meters. So he needs 132 meter length of the rope. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Now we have to find the cost of the rope. Now it is given that for 1 meter the cost of rope is rupees 4. Therefore, for 132 meter, the cost of rope is equal to 132 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 528 rupees. So, our final answer that find the cost of the rope. So, thus the cost of the rope is rupees 528. Write down these 2 sums in your maths notebook. Now, moving on to the next question 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is Now let us area of bigger circle. I represent it as capital R. Capital R is my radius 4 centimeter minus area of smaller circle I am representing by small r. So this 4 centimeter I am representing capital R and this small radius I am representing by small r. Or you can also write R1, R2. Now if I take pi common, remaining is r square minus r square. So this why I am doing, so that you can remember this formula whenever such type of question comes. Whenever in your question is hollow, you can use directly this formula pi common r square minus r square or r1 square minus r2 square. Now we have to take pi value 3.14, put 3.14 multiplied by capital R means bigger R, radius is 4 square minus small r is 3 square. Here I am using the identity a square minus b square, or you can also square it, that is 4 square is 16 minus 9, and then you can write I am using 4 minus 3 so 1 and 4 plus 3 so 7. Now I have to simply multiply 3.14 by 7. You can also do 16 minus 9 which is also 7. Now on multiplying, what is my answer? Let us find out the answer. So my answer is 21.98. Here all the radius is in centimeter, so answer is in centimeter square. Final answer you have to write for word problem. Thus the area of remaining sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Write down this in your notebook. Now question 6 I am giving you homework. Write out yourself. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is a semicircle including its diameter. We have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means we have to consider this length and this length. So this is given the diameter. Now what is this much part? This is half of the circumference of a circle and this is diameter. It's given 10 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter of this figure? The perimeter of this figure will be half of circumference plus the diameter d. This is diameter d. This plus half of the circumference. Now what is the formula of half of circumference? Pi d. If I consider diameter d, the circumference of circle formula is pi d plus d. Now I will put the values. Diameter d is given 10, pi is given 22 by 7 and multiplied by half plus diameter is 10. 2 11s are 11 into 10 is 110 plus 7 plus 10. Now we will divide 110 by 7 and we add 10 to it. My value will be 110 by 7. I am getting 15.71 plus 10. So plus 10. So 15 plus 10, 25.71. This is in centimeter. So my perimeter will be in centimeter. So the answer of this figure of this question is that the perimeter of this figure is 25.71 meter. Write down this in your notebook. Question number 8. I am also giving you homework. Write out yourself.